Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact Bose model and whether it's under warranty so you know repair options. Next, test the power source and cable, plug into a known good outlet, and inspect the cable and zero. 5. An inline fuse if present. Use a multimeter to check for voltage at the connector so you identify power faults early. Once done, gather a small torque set, pry tools, and a soft cloth to safely open the enclosure without damaging grills or connectors. You'll now open the speaker carefully. Remove the grill, remove screws, and keep a diagram so reassembly is exact. Inspect electrolytic capacitors for bulging, burned resistors, lifted solder joints, or torn foam surrounds. These are common failure points. Measure voice coil continuity and the amplifier rails with a multimeter to isolate driver versus amp failure. If you find dry joints, reflow them. If foam is damaged, plan a replacement. These steps explain how the parts fail and why addressing each is essential. You now install replacement capacitors, drivers, or repaired wiring, making sure component specs and polarity match the originals so frequency response and protection circuits behave correctly. Reassemble the cabinet in reverse, tightening screws evenly and resealing gaskets to maintain acoustic integrity. Once assembled, perform a controlled test. Play a sweep at 30 to 60% volume and listen for distortion, rattle, or overheating. Monitor amplifier temperature. If you still hear issues, recheck solder joints and ground.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.